Part 7. So I'm gonna start off the video with a little bit of practicing. Not much to say about anything right now. I mean, yeah, suing and stuff like that. Anyways, so we're gonna start off this video like this. The creep is gonna be discontinued. I'm gonna delete that video. Hopefully by the time this video is uploaded. Discontinuing. Yay. So I would highly recommend just forgetting about that video, cause I just want to forget about it. I don't really want to continue it. I really want to go outside because it's hot. Anyways, it is about to be nighttime. Well, about to be midnight in a few hours. So, take that. I get to stay up longer than you. Chumps. Idiots. So, share this video, please, with all the people that you know that like monster trucks, because this is probably the channel for them, or your little brother or little sister. I don't really care. Just share it with your friends who like monster trucks. If you like monster trucks, please like and subscribe. As you can tell from my thumbnails and my video time, I really do all that work and I get nothing out of it. All that money wasted, all that time wasted, all this breathing wasted, because you guys won't like and subscribe. So it would help me out a lot if you guys just like and subscribe. Please, 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 please comment on the last video on who you think won, or who you think had the best run, because so far nobody has watched it or even looked at it. I did a lot of time working on that. I do a lot of hard time working on the videos, and you guys just like, this guy did a thumbnail, and whatever, I'm not gonna watch it. This video probably sucks. So please, if you have anyone you know that likes plush videos and monster trucks, this is the channel for them. And also, if they like screaming, if they like screaming, I think someone's about to come. Hold up. Apparently no one came. I can't speak. I have a lot of weird voice mess ups. Don't know what those are called. I think voice cracks, but no. Those are something else. Yoinks. Oh, whoa. So, this is probably going to be the shortest episode. No tournaments or world finals. This will just be an episode. Regular episode. Once it hits the 5-minute mark, which it will hit in a few seconds. And it has hit the 5-minute mark. So In a little bit, I'm gonna end this run right here. Well, let's see if I can do 2 skills. Can I do it? Oh, jeez. Anyways, I got 1,000,000. Yay. So here he is, all destroyed and all such. So we're gonna actually do crazy stuff with them. Like destroy him and basically a lot of stuff. So so our goal for this video is to do a forward momentum backflip. If you can't do that, then oh well. Goal not reached. Life is full of disappointments. If you order a package that has makeup in it and you never get that package, disappointment in life. Oh man, you never would have guessed. Disappointment is in life. Disappointment is in life? I have no idea how to speak today. For I hate life now. Anyways. A forward momentum backflip and a front flip, please, in this run. Please. At least just one. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Yoinks. Oh, front backflip I meant. Not a forward momentum front flip. Is forward momentum front flip even real? Probably not. Oh, geez, we lost a tire. That's one of the things I wanted to do. Ooh, the back tire just not on the floor. I'm gonna get first place, surprisingly. Here he is. We're gonna do it again. That was kind of fun. But this time on a different map, like this World Finals map that we did last time. We're actually gonna watch it this time because I need more minutes on my video. Anyways, let's go, boys. I don't know why, but there's literally nothing to do on this game now that I have unlocked all the levels. And almost every truck of mine is really strong. I wish they would add more trucks to this game or either add a new map. That's what I'm hoping for them to do. A backflip, huh? Wonder how that happened. Physics! Thank you, physics, for making that happen. And also the game. Anyways, enough nerd talking. Okay, I guess I'm going this way. Whoa, huge air. Yoinks. Jeez, we're just killing it. So here, anyways, here he is. We got 8th place. But anyway, it's not the worst score. I mean, we could have gotten $36,000. But anyway, let's move on. So now we're gonna go on this map. I highly doubt that we're gonna get first place on this one. Whatever that was, it was interesting. Front flip! We hit our goals. Now it's time to end of the video. Just kidding. You guys thought I was going to give up that easily? No. We're only 10 minutes into the video. Check if you want to. I'm not lying. Yeet. Alright. Oh, what the heck. I really thought we were going over the fence right there. And we're stuck. Alright, that was kind of awkward that we got stuck right there. I didn't even know you could get stuck right there. Ooh. Underground view. Anyway, we're going to flip over the truck and completely demolish it. So here he is. I told you we demolished him. Now time for this one. I really don't know what this is. This is more of a, hey, fastest truck, come here to get 200 feet of air kind of map. What? So I basically only did that so I can do that. Now, I'm just gonna plop our way up here and start crushing. Whoa, I almost slipped off the edge there. If I would have slipped off the edge there, I would have screamed like at the beginning of the video. In fact, there you go. Now, I'm not going to talk for the next 5 seconds. Alright. I wasn't lying! Oh, jeez. Again. Anyways, here's a truck. Here's the disgusting fans. And there's my disgusting score. Here he is. Let me sneeze. Oh, man. Anyways. Why not? We're gonna go to the first ever map that I have gotten on. You completely go over it, like a few episodes back. I might just delete and re-download this game so I can start from raw beginning. Oh my, again? Oh my god, I hate that when that happens. Hey, unless you did that. Let's see what this does. Oh, that just, I guess that's a mini flip. And go from all the way back here. Come on, backflip, I need you. Oh, come on, I need a bounce. Come on. I need a bounce. That's what she said. Come on, a bounce. I need a harder bounce. That's also what she said. I guess we're not getting a bounce today. Yes. Yes. Oh, jeez. Alright. But okay. Alright. I would really like if they could fix this. Anyways, we're not gonna do any of that. But anyway, let's go on to the next map. No, Phil, I don't care. Anyways, this is the thing. So let's go on to the next map. I think we're gonna go to this one. No, Phil, I don't care. Let's do this one. Alright, guys, I haven't done this one in super booty long. Little kids, hope you know what I'm talking about. Older kids, stay with me. Or, I don't know. Nobody watches my videos, so I don't even know why to bother. Huge air. Is there a way to get 200 feet? Hope there is. Let's do this backflip. Come on. Oh, geez, what was that? Oh, geez. How did I do that? Aww. Hey, we get first place. That's not bad. Alright, we're greedy with this again. Oh, God. We're back in. Really hope I got my money. Here is the original map where we did that crazy backflip into the moonwalk. Anyways, yoink, bop. Higher, please. No, bop then. Oh, what is happening? Anyways. Please, I need that big bounce. Why can't I do this anymore? My old videos, they're like boss. Did they update the game to where... I hate this now. Whoa, this is crazy. Does this have the glitch? No. Oh, I wonder what the inside of this looks like. I guess it's just boringness. Here's a truck. Here's my... Oh, I was about to say, here's my disgusting score. You get $100,000 from that? Dang. Here's the trash truck. I really want to get a new truck now. I think we've waited way too long for a cool truck like Boogie Fan. Wild Thing? Rockstar? I think we just have to get Bigfoot number 18. Now let's upgrade this thing so it won't be ugly and slow. You hear this car? You're gonna work for your own speed. Oh, this truck looks beautiful. Wow. I looked at this truck last video. You could probably tell I wanted to get it, but I was too poor. So, what the heck was that? Can I go through here? I want to go through here. Oh, that's cool. If somebody sends that in, don't. Because I want that to be in the game forever. Oh, wow. That was amazing. I'm going to do this right now. Let's go. Oh, jeez. What? What just happened? Okay. Oh, and we lose a tire on his first run. Alright, making his debut, Bigfoot number 15. Also making his debut, Carolina Crusher. Oh, this is Bigfoot number 18. My mistake, sorry. So, I guess that'll be it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. And see you guys later. Bye.